I would request everyone to please be yourself on mute mode. If you have any questions, there will be a question and answer round. There will be a time given to you all to put your questions and put your answer, and then we can continue.
Okay. Yes. The seminar have started now. Download this thing. There's a link. You need to download. You click on download. Download that thing. Check this WhatsApp now. The message I will send you there. Okay?
Question and answer time. Am I audible to everyone? I am getting some messages that
This conference will now be
audio is poor. Okay, thank you. I got a reply from many of you that if someone is having any audio problem, I would request them to kindly re-log in again, because sometimes due to network issue, the audio might have some sort of problem. Okay, thank you for confirming. Thank you all for confirming. So let's begin. Now, before actually going to this slide, I want you to think on certain situation. During this pandemic, I could see the shops or the forum malls, they had aligned their selling items in a way that they saw what customers used to take it on regular basis. One, one minute. One minute. Yeah. So I was talking about one scenario where during the pandemic, what I saw that in order to increase the sales, the forum malls, they put the items in the way the customer needed it, the customer purchased it. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
what,
what,
matlab,
मतलब
how
how
the
the
owner
owner
of
of
that
that
forum
forum
mall
mall
decided
decided
to
to
uh,
uh,
to
to
arrange the
arrange the
items
items
into,
into,
or
or
what
what
they
they
would
would
have
have
done.
done. Yeah, sorry.
They would
They would
have
have
made
made
an
an
analysis
analysis
that
so I'm in a
if
live seminar.
if
Just give me some
customers are
minutes.
coming,
Okay, I'll
if
pause
they
it.
are
They are
purchasing
purchasing
bread,
bread.
they will
They will
also
also
purchase
purchase
milk
milk
along
along
with
with
bread.
bread.
They will
They will
also
also
purchase
purchase
egg
I have a
along
seminar
with
by
that.
3 o'clock,
So
so
they
I was
they
late.
kept
Actually,
all
one
these
second.
three
I
items
just joined the
so
so
that
that
the
the
customer
customer
can
can
easily
easily
get
get
it.
okay. Sorry.
And
And give me like
this
10 minutes.
increased
Okay.
the
The
incoming of
incoming of
customers,
customers
as
as
because
because
instead
instead
of
of
searching
searching
it
it
from
from
here
here
and
and
there,
there,
the
the
customers
customers
got
got
what
what
they
they
wanted.
wanted.
And
And
thus
thus
the
the
sales
sales
increased.
increased.
Why?
Why?
Because the
Because the
time
time
they
they
spent
spent
in the
in the
mall
mall
would have
would have
become
become
less,
less,
and they
and they
purchased the
purchased the
things
things
and they
and they
left.
left.
So
So
the
the
logic
logic
behind
behind
this
this
was
was
either
either
you
you
yourself
yourselves
take
take
out the
out the
data
data
of
of
1
1
week
week
and
and
studied it.
studied it.
What is
What
the
is the
pattern in
pattern in
which
which
customers
customers
are
are
purchasing in
purchasing in
these
these
days?
days?
Or
Or
you
you
give
give
this
this
job
job
to a
to a
data
data
scientist,
scientist,
to
to
someone
someone. Hello? Yeah, bro.
domain.
Domain.
This is
This is
very,
very,
very
very
important.
important.
You
You
can
can
apply,
apply,
you
you
can
can
apply
apply
uh,
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 the
the
logic
logic
if you
if you
have
have
a good
good
knowledge
knowledge
of
of
this
this
and your
and your
respective
respective
domain.
domain.
For
For
example, if
example,
I
if I
have to
have to
apply
apply
data
data
scientist in the
scientist in the
field of
field of
IT,
IT,
I
I
need to
need to
have
have
a
a
IT
IT
domain
domain
or a
or a
marketing
marketing
domain.
domain.
If I
If I
have to
have to
apply
apply
data
data
science
science
for
for
the
the
field of
field of
retail
retail
business,
business,
I
I
need to
need to
have
have
the
the
domain
domain
knowledge
knowledge
of
of
retail
retail
business.
business.
Now, the
Now, the
inner
inner
part
part
is
is
machine
machine
learning.
learning.
What is
What is
machine
machine
learning? I
learning?
will
I will
tell
tell
you:
you
software
software
development,
development,
traditional
traditional
research.
research.
So,
So,
let's
let's
start with
start with
machine
machine
learning.
learning.
Now, as
Now,
I
as I
told
told in my
in my
in my
example
example
of
of
Forum
Forum
Mall,
Mall,
where
where
the
the
owner of
owner
the
of the
Forum
Forum
Mall
Mall
arranged the
arranged the
items
items
in a
in a
way
way
that
that
customers
customers
can
can
get
get
it
it
easily.
easily. Get it.
It
It
can be
can be
done
done
by
by
analyzing
analyzing
uh,
uh,
yourself.
yourself.
If one
If one
person can
person can
analyze it,
analyze it,
but
but
if the
if the
data
data
is
is
huge,
used,
if the
if the
data is
data
in
is in
crores, in
crores, in
lakhs,
lakhs,
then it
then it
becomes
becomes
very
very
difficult for
difficult
a
for a
human
human
being
being
to
to
give the
give the
results
results
quickly.
quickly
That is
that is
required.
required.
So
So
we we
we
make
make
machine,
machine,
we
we
make
make
computers
computers,
we
we
make
make
computers
computers
to
to
understand
understand
our
our
data
data
and to
and to
understand that
understand that
what
what
I
I
need
need
from
from
that
that
data.
data.
And the
And the
process of
process of
doing
doing
this,
this,
process of
process of
making a
making a
machine
machine
understand the
understand the
data
data
and
and
what I
what I
want to
want
do
to do
from that
from that
data, what
data,
I
what I
want to
want to
get
get
from
from
that
that
data
data
is
is
known as
known as
machine
machine
learning.
learning.
And it
And it
involves
involves
knowledge of
knowledge of
software,
software,
knowledge
knowledge
of
of
statistics,
statistics,
maths,
maths,
and
and
knowledge
knowledge
of
of
business
business
domain.
domain.
So combining all these three,
we
we
make
make
machine
machine
learn
learn
so
so
that
that
it
it
can
can
give
give
results,
results.
it
It
can
can
analyze
analyze
and
and
it
it
can
can
give
give
results
results as
as
per
per
our
our
requirement.
requirement.
So
So
data
data
science
science
involves
involves
everything.
everything.
Now this
Now this
slide will
slide will
make you
make you
clear.
clear.
Why do
Why
we
do we
need
need
data
data
science?
science?
Data
Data
is
is
generated from
generated from
different
different
sources.
sources.
Once we
Once we
need
need
data,
data,
there
there
are
are
so
so
many
many
sources
sources
from
from
where
where
data
data
can be
can be
generated.
generated.
It
It
can
can
be
be
a
a
huge
huge
volume of
volume of
data.
data.
Now,
Now,
when the
when the
volume of
volume of
data
data
becomes
becomes
huge and
huge and
complex,
complex,
the
the
simple
simple
BI
BI
tools of
tools of
Excel,
Excel,
it
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 doesn't
doesn't
handle
handle
the
the
entire
entire
quantity of
quantity of
data, or
data, or
even
even
if
if
it can
it can
handle,
handle,
it
it
will
will
give the
give the
results
results
slowly.
slowly.
But
But
we
we
need
need
both.
both.
We
We
need
need
that it
that it
must
must
analyze
analyze
our
our
data
data
and give
and
the
give the
results
results
on
on
as
as
quickly as
quickly as
possible.
possible.
So
So
for
for
that,
that,
we
we
need
need
some very
some
good
very good
analytical
analytical
tools and
tools and
algorithms.
algorithms.
Now
Now
those
those
algorithms
algorithms
comes from
comes from
statistics,
statistics,
and the
and the
tools
tools
are
are
different
different
languages that
languages
we
that
will
we will
implement,
implement,
that we will
that we will
use to
use to
implement
implement
those
those
algorithms.
algorithms.
The
The
main and the
main and the
most
most
important goal
important goal
of
of
data
data
science
science
is
is
to do
to do
analysis.
analysis.
Okay? In
Okay?
this
In this
graph,
graph,
you can
you can
see
see
that
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 in
in
previous
previous
years,
years,
in
in
last
last
10 years
10
down
years
the
down the
line,
line,
the
the
data which
data which
we
we
could have
could
got
have
from
got from
different
different
sources
sources
was
was
structured data.
structured data.
Now, when I
Now, when
talk
I talk
about
about
structured
structured
data, which
data, which
means
means
we will
we will
have the
have the
data
data
which will
which will
be in a
be in a
particular
particular
structure,
structure,
which will
which
have
will
some
have
set
some
of
set of
rows and
rows and
columns,
columns,
which will
which
have
will
some
have
set
some
of
set of
heading,
heading,
so that
so that
we
we
know
know
what the
what
data
the data
is.
is.
But
But
in these
in these
days,
days,
we have
we have
unstructured
unstructured
data
data
rising up
rising up
more. You
more.
can
You
see
can
in
see in
this
this
from this
from this
graph,
graph
the
the
light
light
blue
blue
colored
colored
line
line
shows
shows
structured
structured
data.
data.
I would
I would
request
request
everyone to
everyone to
please
please
be on
be
mute.
on mute.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
So I was
So I was
talking about
talking about
structured data
structured
and
data and
unstructured data.
unstructured data.
So
So
since
since
these
these
years,
years
in
in
2020, if you
2020, if
see
you
the
see the
graph,
graph,
the
the
quantity of
quantity of
unstructured
unstructured
data has
data has
increased, which
increased, which
means if
means
we
if we
go and
go
get
and
the
get the
data,
data,
they would be
they would
giving
be
the
giving
data
the
in a
data in a
CSV
CSV
format, which
format,
is
which
a
is a
comma
comma
separated value
separated value
format, which
format, which
doesn't has
doesn't
any
has any
heading,
heading,
which
which
doesn't
doesn't
has
has
any
any
anything.
anything.
So
So
that has
that has
increased these
increased these
days.
days.
We
We
need
need
someone
someone
to
to
align that
align that
data
data
so that
so
it
that
can be
it can be
used
used
according to
according
our
to our
requirement.
requirement.
And this
And
is
this
where
is where
the
the
machine
machine
role comes
role
into
comes
play.
into play.
We will
We
see
will
how
see how
it can be
it
done.
can be done.
It is a
It is a
blend of
blend of
various
various
tools,
tools, algorithm,
machine learning
machine learning
principles with a
principles with a
goal to
goal to
discover
discover
hidden
hidden
patterns from
patterns
raw
from
data.
raw
When I
data. When
say
I
raw
say raw
data, it is
data,
an
it is an
unstructured data.
unstructured data.
Okay?
Okay?
And we
And we
use
use
machine
machine
to
to
to give
to give
me
me
what
what
I
I
need
need
by
by
using
using
different
different
tools,
tools,
by
by
using a different
using different
algorithm that
algorithm that
suits our
suits our
requirement.
requirement.
and then getting a final report which would generate the idea that we wanted. So that can be done by using data science. In real life, you see these days, everywhere, in whichever field you go, there is some or the other data science involved in it. And it is currently the world's demand. See, everyone will be happy if they come to know that if they proceed in this way as they are doing, they would land here. But if they change the pattern of doing things, if they do things in certain other way, they would land somewhere else. This predictive decision, the prediction which this data science gives, is required in each and every field. Few I have put them in this slide. You see social media. When I talk about social media, if I get the data and if I start doing analysis of the sentiment that how many people at India is sensitive to politics of India. I will request Twitter to give me the data of last 1 year, and that data would be some 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs of data. I would then need to do some sort of filtering in that data, and then after filtering, I would do or I would give it to the computer. Excuse me, please. I would give it to the computer for doing an analysis. And once the computer tells me that yes, there is 70% of the people that are sensitive towards politics, I can find out who all are they or what is their age group. And accordingly, I can target my campaign during the time of elections. Excuse me again. In marketing, in automation, in traveling. See, if you see, you can get dynamic pricing these days. Whether you want to book ticket, if in this route there is a huge demand, we can increase the price, and that can be predicted well in advance. If we use this data science in travel. Similarly, in healthcare, these days news channel predicted much before that in this month the COVID-19 cases would rise to this level. We continue doing in the way we are doing. Similarly, in sales, in credit insurance, any field you go, you will find data science in each and every field. I request everyone to please mute themselves. By mistakenly, by muting everyone, I muted myself as well. So it's all fine. Genomic data provides a deeper understanding of genetic issues, predict employee attrition, and understand the variables that influence employee turnover.
See,
See,
in
in every company, the HR needs
that
that
from the
from the behavior of the employee,
from the
from the
from the
from the
from the
from the
implementing
implementing
or whatever
or whatever
implements they get
from
from
those,
the
the
HR can
HR can understand whether the employee
will be
will be
there,
there,
will be
will be
with
with
the
the company,
or
or
he will not
he
be
will
there,
not be
he
there,
will leave.
he will leave.
So
So
it is
it
where
is where data science is
required.
required.
Logistic
Companies
they can
they can
find the
find
best
the
time
best
and the
time
best
and the best
route to save.
route to save.
If it
If
is
it is during
afternoon,
during night, they can use route A.
If it
If it is
during
during
day,
day, they can use route B.
All these
All
can be
these can be
predicted
predicted much
before
before they start
the journey.
the journey.
Airline
Companies can now easily predict flight delay, notify passengers,
do
do
dynamic
dynamic pricing, and many more.
These are few
These are few scenarios
that is there.
that is there. I will just read it out. I have told maximum of them.
To predict
To predict whether an employee will leave based on various features such as number of projects they worked on,
the
the time spent at the company,
the
the performance review, salary increment,
etc.
etc.
And if
And if
everything
everything
is okay,
then the employee will definitely continue.
But if
From the
from the
data,
it
it can be seen that his performance is not good,
which means
which means the employee is not a dedicated employee and
he may
he may
be looking
be looking out for some other jobs.
To
To
forecast
forecast revenue based on upcoming flight schedule influenced by factors such as COVID-19 pandemic,
impact
impact seasonal demand,
weather
weather condition, air traffic
many
congestion, many things, strategic management, marketing, operations, finance, anywhere you go.
In case of
In case of revenue based,
you will
you will
see
see
that
that a data science
is
is definitely required
for
for doing the predictions much before
they
they
actually
actually do it.
To predict
To predict demand supply ratio for COVID-19 diagnostic kits across various states of India,
which means
which means ki
in the health
in the
time,
health time
it is
it is
essential
essential
it is essential
to understand that
what will be
what
the
will
number
be
of
the number
cases
of
high
cases high
so that they
so that they can
accordingly
accordingly supply diagnostic
kits.
kits.
So
So
everywhere
everywhere
it
it is required.
Now business
Now, business intelligence versus data
Business
science. Business intelligence was previously used
before
before data science came into play.
Now why
Now, why data science came
is
is because of increased unstructured data
which
which we
got
got
from
from various sources.
Incoming of
Incoming of
NoSQL
NoSQL
databases,
databases,
using
using
CSV
CSV format to store
huge amount of data.
Okay?
Previously, in case of
structured data, we had SQL
that
that was used.
we had
We
Excel
had Excel
that
that was
where
used where
the
the data was
structured.
structured.
But
But as
unstructured
unstructured data
begin
to increase drastically,
data
data
science
science
role
role came into play.
Business
Business intelligence only uses statistics and visualization.
Data
Data science
used
used machine learning, graph analysis, neuro-linguistic programming as well. Somebody was asking me in the chat window, I could see that are we learning data science or are we learning machine learning? So, machine learning, without machine learning, you cannot be a data scientist. Data science includes everything. Machine learning is just a part where we make machine understand how they have to use the data that I had given them. And for using that data, in order to give some output, in order to display some result, they have to use different ways. Like graph analysis, if I want the result in graphical format, it must be included. If I want this neuro-linguistic programming, that is to be done, that can be done where they will recognize face, they recognize voice. Alexa and Siri is one of the examples. Business intelligence focuses on past and present. Data science also predicts the future. It focuses on present and future. So that is why business intelligence is reduced in its use, and data science is booming. The workflow. See, it all starts with a business problem. Someone comes up with a business problem. These days, in organizations, in development organizations, no client comes to develop an application. We have got huge amount of application to do whatever we want. I will give you an example. Nobody had ever thought a couple of years ago that only mobile number or cell number would be sufficient enough to transfer X amount of fund to other account. Paytm, the day it evolved, it proved that only cell phone is enough to transfer the money. When Paytm came, every other bank, every other domain people went back to their team leaders, to their project managers and told, hey, I want that this to be implemented. I don't know. I want we are having phone number of each and every customer. No one would like to add a pay, wait for 5-10 hours to get it activated in order to transfer money. So how can we bring up this? So that was a business problem where everyone had a question why and how we want things to be done. Nobody will say that yes, I need this type of application wherein this is the workflow, these are the things that are required to do. Those days are gone. The client is coming up straight away with the problem. This is my problem. It is up to you if you can solve it. The developers must have MVP ready. Okay? MVP, minimum viable plan ready, so that they can deliver it to the client. So business problem. Then when such a type of business problem came, we need to collect data. The data must be collected, and from where we will collect the data? There are many online repositories, there are databases, there are web servers which has data. So we will collect data from every possible source, so that the more data we have, the more machine will understand clearly. I am giving you one simple example. Just in order to make it very clear that why we are getting data across several sources, why we are accumulating so much of data. One simple example just to prove this point. Say for
Say
example,
for
on
example,
a
on a
foggy
foggy
night,
night,
I drove
I
from
drove from
location X to
location X to
location Y
location Y
without any
without
trouble.
any trouble.
Somebody
Somebody
standing at
standing
location
at
Y
location
asked
Y
me,
asked me,
did you face
did
any
you face any
problem while
problem
driving
while
from
driving
location
from
X
location
to location
X to
Y?
location
I
Y?
said,
I said
absolutely not.
absolutely not.
He collected
He
data
collected
from 10,
data from 10,
15 people.
15 people.
Everybody said
Everybody
no.
said no.
He gave
He
these
gave
10
these
data
10
to
data
the
to the
machine
machine
and asked
and
machine
asked
to
machine to
predict
predict
whether driving
whether
will be
driving will
as
be
simple
as
as it
simple
was
as
for
it was
me,
for
for
me,
everyone.
for
The
everyone.
machine will
The
tell
machine will tell
yes,
yes,
100% of the
100%
people
of the people
told that from
told that
location
from
X to
location X
location
to
Y
location Y
on a foggy
on a
winter
foggy
night,
winter night,
they didn't
they
face any
didn't face
problem
any
during drive.
problem during drive.
But yes,
But yes, maybe
we all
we
10
all
would be
10
having
would
those
be
fog
having those
lights.
fog
That is
lights.
why
That is why
we
we
couldn't find any
couldn't
problem.
find any problem.
But actually,
But
this is
actually,
wrong.
this is wrong.
There is a
There
problem
is a
in
problem
driving
in driving
on a foggy
on a
winter
foggy
night.
winter night.
So that is why
So that is
it is
why it
recommended
is recommended
to collect the
to collect
data
the data
from n number of
n number of
sources.
sources.
And that is why
And
we
that
are
is why
collecting
we
the
are
data
collecting the
from
data
wherever
from
we can get
wherever
it.
we can get it.
Then once we
Then
have
once
that
we
data, I
have that
cannot
data, I
use the
cannot
data in
use
a
the
way
data
to
in a
get it
way to
directly.
get it directly.
I need to
I
do
need to
data
do
cleaning.
data cleaning.
There may be
There may be
some misspelled
misspelled
attributes. There may be
attributes.
some
There may be
duplicate
some
values.
duplicate
There may be
values.
some
There may be some
inconsistent types.
inconsistent types.
So we need to
So
do
we
all
need to
those
do all
cleaning
those
first
cleaning first
before giving the
before
data to the
giving the
machine.
data to the machine.
After that,
After
we will
that, we will
transform
transform
data.
of
Say for
data. Say
example,
for example,
I could gather
I could
some
gather
1
some
crore
1
data
crore
from
data
different sources.
different
After
sources.
cleaning, it
After
became
cleaning, it became
50 lakhs.
50
Those
lakhs.
50
Those
lakhs
50
data
lakhs data
will be
will be
the data which
the data which
actually we will give
actually
to
we
the
will
machine
give to the
in
machine
order to
in
predict
order to
something.
predict something.
After that,
After
we
that,
need
we need to
to define
define
what all
what
things
all things
we will need,
we will need,
which we call it
which
as
we call it as
exploratory data
exploratory data
analysis.
analysis.
We will select
We will select
the
the
if it is in
it
this
is
domain,
this domain,
all these
all these
algorithms would be
algorithms would be
required.
required.
All these
All
algorithms
these
would be required,
algorithms would be required, or this
will fit
algorithm
the
will
most.
fit the most.
We need to select.
We need to select.
We need to know
We need to know
what all
what
algorithms
all
do we have,
algorithms do
what
we
all
have, what
methods
all
do we have,
methods
what
do
all
we have, what
process
all
do we have.
process do we have.
We need to know that.
We need to know that.
And
And
after having an
after
idea,
having an idea,
we will model the
we will
data.
model the data.
We will apply
We
the
will
algorithm.
apply the
May it
algorithm.
be
May it
K-NN,
be
naive bias,
KNN, naive
decision
bias,
tree. These are
decision
the
tree.
three
These are
different
the
types
three
of
different types
algorithm
of
that is used
algorithm
to
that is
predict
used to
something.
predict something.
So we are not
So
going
we are
in
not
depth with
going in
these
depth
type of
with these type
algorithm.
of algorithm.
But the main
But
motto
the main
behind
motto
this
behind
is
this is
choice of
choice
correct
of
algorithm.
correct algorithm.
We need to choose
We
the
need to
correct
choose the
algorithm.
correct algorithm.
After choosing the
After
correct
choosing the
algorithm,
correct algorithm,
we will
we will
implement that
implement
algorithm
that algorithm
in the
in the
data
in the
that we
data
have
that we
divided
have divided
for
for
training and
training
for
and
testing.
for testing.
So we will apply the
So we will
algorithm
apply the
and then
algorithm and
finally
then
we will
finally we will
visualize
visualize the result.
After visualizing
After
the result,
visualizing the
we
result,
can
we can
communicate
the
the
result,
required.
the required.
So this is
So this is
how
how
the data science
workflow goes.
After communicating
After
to the
communicating to the
required person,
required
that
person,
person will
that person
deploy
will deploy
and it will keep on
and it will
maintaining
keep on
that.
maintaining that.
So
So
these all
these
seven
all
steps
7 steps
is a daily
is
routine
a
of a
daily
data
routine of a
scientist.
data scientist.
If you want to
If
become
you want to become a data
scientist,
scientist,
See,
See,
I would like to
I
talk
would like to talk
something about
something
Python.
about Python.
Someone can say
Someone can
we
say
started
we
learning
started learning
C plus
C plus
everywhere
everywhere
we go.
we go.
The basic
The
computer
basic
language is
computer
C
language
that
is
is being
C that
taught,
is being taught.
and it is required
And it
in
is
each and every
required in
computer
each and
science
every computer
field
science
we
field.
go in
We
whichever
go in
place
whichever
across the
place
globe.
across the globe.
When I am
Now,
talking
when I
about
am
data
talking about
science,
data science,
I didn't even
I
mention
didn't
of
even
that
mention
basic
of that
programming
basic
language.
programming
There
language.
might be
There might be
some questions
some questions
that would be
that
striking,
would be striking,
that whether
that whether
uh,
uh,
we would be
we would be
we would need to learn
we would
C,
need to learn C,
or we don't need
or
to
we
learn
don't
C.
need to learn C.
Why Python?
Why
Why
Python?
not
Why not
any other
any
language?
other
Can we
language?
not do
Can we
these
not
kinds
do
of
these kinds of
algorithm using C,
algorithm using C,
C++,
C++,
Java, or whatever?
Java, or whatever?
There are two kinds
There
of
are two
language.
kinds of language.
One is
One is
which is meant to
which is
develop
meant to
application.
develop
The
application.
other one
The other
is to
one
solve
is to
business
solve
problem.
a business problem.
No doubt, you can use
No
any
doubt, you can
programming
use any
language to
programming
develop
language to
those
develop
kind of
those kind of
algorithms, to use those
algorithms, to
kind of
use those kind of
algorithms.
algorithms.
But the main
But
concern
the main
is
concern is
you need to write
you
the
need to
entire
write the
statistics
entire
code for
statistics code for
analyzing
analyzing
all those
all
things
those
if you use
things
different
if you
language.
use different language.
But if you use
But if you
Python,
use Python,
it is a business
it is a
problem,
business problem, the
solving
business
language.
problem
So it has
solving language.
got
So it
a rich
has
set of
got a rich
library
set of
which we
library
can directly
which we can
use, where
directly
all the
use, where
algorithms
all
are
the
predefined.
algorithms are
Only you
predefined.
need to know
Only
what
you
is the
need to
name
know
and what
what
is
is
the
the name and what is
process
the
to implement it,
process
to
to
use it.
implement it, to use.
So
So
that is required.
that is required.
That is why
That is
Python is
why
used.
Python is used.
Whenever we do machine
Whenever we do
learning,
machine
it is
learning,
very
it
easy
is very easy
by using Python
by
to
using
implement
Python
machine
to
learning.
implement machine learning.
Why? Because it has
Why?
got a
Because
huge
it has
set of
got a huge
library.
set of library.
A data
A
scientist,
data scientist,
whosoever wants to become,
whosoever wants to become,
the ladder is to
the
start from
ladder is to
advanced
start
Excel.
from
And
advanced Excel,
for
and
learning
for
Excel,
learning
for
Excel,
advanced Excel,
for advanced Excel,
nothing is the prerequisite.
nothing is the
You
prerequisite.
just need to have a
Just need to have
computer
a
with you.
computer with you.
And after that,
And after that,
learning Python
learning
doesn't
Python
has any
doesn't has
other
any
prerequisite.
other prerequisite.
After you learn
After you
Python,
learn Python,
uh,
uh,
so
so
for
for
learning
learning
Python,
I was telling
no
that
other
no
prerequisite
other
is required.
prerequisite is required.
Any layman
Any
can
layman can start
Python.
off with
And
Python.
after
And after
he or she has
he or
learned
she has
Python,
learned Python,
then the knowledge of
then the knowledge of
statistics,
statistics,
I
I
think
think
during
during school and college
we
days,
all
we
learn
all
statistics, we
learn
all have
statistics, we all
mathematics.
have mathematics.
So statistics
So
knowledge is
statistics
required,
knowledge is
and
required,
then
and then
we can
we can
learn the algorithms, we
learn
can
the
understand the
algorithms, we can understand the algorithms,
whatever
whatever may be
of the machine learning,
of
and
the
then we
machine
can
learning,
implement
and
it
then we
using
can
Python.
implement it using Python.
I would request to
I
give
would
me
request to give me
one minute
one minute till
I come back in a
I
minute.
come back in a minute.
I want you all to
I
go
want
through
you
this
all to
slide.
go through this
This
slide.
is what
This
we
is
would need
what we would
in
need
Excel
in Excel
for
for
data analysis.
data analysis part.
Hello. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes. Yes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Is my screen visible to everyone? Is my screen visible to everyone?
Not yet. Not yet.
Yes. I would again request everyone to please be on mute. So in Excel tools, we have got sort, filter, conditional formatting, charts, pivot table, normal structure table, what if analysis, solver, and to pack that are different Excel tools that is used for analysis. After Excel, when we go for Python, I've already told what is Python. Python is widely used in scientific and research community because it is the most simple language, very easy to use and easy to learn. I would say if there is a code that you need to write in any other language, if that takes 20 lines in Python, it will only take 3 lines to write the code. Some of the features of this language is it is elegant syntax, language is simple, a huge set of standard library and community support, simple to test the code, simple to extend the code by appending new modules that are implemented in other compiled language. You can even import those modules that are written in any other compiled programming language. You can use it in Python. It is an expressive language, which means anyone reading your code can understand it. And the most important part is to understand others' code. Then only you can revamp those codes easily. You can run the code anywhere in whichever platform you go. You can run it anywhere. The software is free of cost. Important. You don't need to pay anything for using Python. These are some of the libraries which we use for data science in Python. We have got NumPy, Python, Jupyter, SciPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, PC, SciKit, NetworkX, PyTable, AstroPy, DIPy, many libraries. There are more than what you can see in this slide. These are some sort of simple coding that I had written. Just by writing, I think here in this code you can see there is only 10 lines of code written. And I have plotted this graph. I have got this graph as a result by just writing 10 lines. This graph is to be done. I am requesting everybody to please be on mute. So if you have to make this graph or give this graph as an output in C, I can guarantee that it will not be done in 10 lines of code. You need to write many more lines of code in order to generate these kind of outputs. Here there is one another example. That was by using a variable. Previous example was the value was given in a list of variables. This, we are reading it from a file and then we are plotting it in a graph. So this is just to make you understand that learning Python is very easy. Some of the job roles that you will do that we can get after you successfully do the entire machine
the
learning
entire machine
and
learning
learn
and
Python.
learn
You can
Python.
become data
You can
analyst,
become
you can
data
become
analyst,
machine
you
learning
can become
engineer,
machine
deep
learning
learning
engineer,
engineer,
deep learning
data
engineer,
engineer,
data
data
engineer,
scientist.
data scientist.
Huge opportunities,
Huge
although this is
opportunities,
the data
although
that
this
I had,
is the
I
data
had
that
collected for
I had
India.
collected for India.
You have opportunities
You have
across
opportunities
the world.
across the world.
So are you ready to
So are
be
you
a data
ready to
scientist?
be a data scientist?
You need to start it today.
You need to start it today.
So
So
I am opening it.
I am opening it. I am opening the forum for question and answers.
Anyone
Anyone
you
you
you want to ask
you want to
any
ask
question?
any question?
I can see many
I can
questions
see many
that
questions
has been
that has
typed.
been typed.
So
So
I am reading out one by
I
one,
am reading
and
out one by one, and
is it easy compared
is
the
it
first
easy
question I
compared the
got from
first question
Colin
I
David?
got from Colin David?
Is it easy
Is it
compared to
easy
other programming language?
compared to other
Absolutely,
programming language?
absolutely, Colin.
Absolutely, absolutely,
It is very
Collins.
easy as
It
compared
is
to other
very easy
programming
as
language.
compared to other programming
Someone is
languages.
asking me
Someone
privately,
is
"Are you
asking me
Rakesh?"
privately,
Yes, I
"Are you
am Rakesh.
Rakesh?" Yes, I am Rakesh.
So we are going to get the
So we are
slides
going to
after the
get the
webinar.
slides after
You
the
need to
webinar.
connect up
You
with
need to
your
connect
local
up with your
local center.
local center.
Mr. Rakesh,
Mr.
Yes, yes, please.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please, August.
Yes, please.
Some of us will even start up as a computer scientist. Some of us will even start up as a computer scientist.
I would
For
I
us
would
to
request.
for us to go
request.
into hello,
I would request you.
I would
Mr.
request
One
you
minute. One minute,
one minute,
Augustine.
one
One
minute,
minute.
Augustine,
I would
one minute.
request you to
I
please
would
type your
request you to
question. It
please
would be
type your
better
question.
for
It would
me
be
to
better for
understand it.
me
Why?
to
Because
understand it.
when
Why?
you
Because
unmute, I can
when
hear
you
some
unmute,
background
I can
noise,
hear some background
which is
noise,
not
which is
allowing me
not
to
allowing
hear
me
you
to
clearly.
hear you
So I would
clearly.
request that
I would
you can
request that
take some
you
pain
can
and
take
type the
some
question
pen
in
and type
chat
the question
box.
in the chat box.
because I'm using an Android. I'm using an Android. So I don't know where to get a place where I will type the question and send to you. I'm using
Okay,
an
now,
Android. In fact,
now,
Okay,
I
now,
was in the bank.
now, now,
I
now you
come
are
out
okay,
and
now you are audible and
now you
clear.
are
You
audible
can
and
ask your
clear.
question
You
again,
can ask your
please.
question again, please.
okay, yeah, good. Like I was asking, for someone that is not having the knowledge of machine learning or Python to dive into such platform or to become a data scientist or a machine learning person. Is it easy? Is it an easy task?
Yes.
Because what I'm seeing,
Yes.
like what you said, you discuss about statistics and mathematics. You understand? You talked more about statistics and mathematics that we go through in learning machine learning. So is it easy for we that are coming from a business background like me? I graduated from with a business background in one of the universities. So that's my question anyway. Is it easy for us to
It's
base from business background to a computer scientist like machine learning and data science?
absolutely
Absolutely,
it is easy,
it is easy,
but you need to have
but
little
you
bit
need
idea
to
on
have
maths.
little
You
bit
need to
idea on
start
maths.
off.
You
You
need
need
to
to
start off.
have
Need
some
to
idea.
have
Then
some idea.
it will be
Then
easy.
it
As
will be easy.
compared to the one
As
who
compared to the
knows
one who
mathematics,
knows mathematics,
who knows statistics,
who knows
it will be very
statistics,
much easier
it will
for
be
them.
very much easier for
But
them. But
if you want to
if you
if you are
want
from
to
a business
if you are
background,
from a
then
business
also
background, then
you
also
can learn. There is
you
nothing
can
nothing
learn. There
so
is
difficult in it.
nothing so difficult
Yes,
in it.
initially you will
Yes,
find little
initially
bit
you will
difficulty.
find little bit difficulty.
Anyone can learn.
Anyone can learn.
I would request everyone to
I would request
please
everyone to
be on
please
mute.
be on mute.
Thank you.
What about R? R is
What about
also
R?
a
R is
similar
also a
business
similar
business
problem solving
problem solving programming
It
language.
is also similar to
It is
Python.
also similar to Python.
As we have
We
have a similar language
we have a
as
similar
C
language
Sharp,
as
.NET and
C
Java.
Sharp, .NET and Java.
Both are some sort of similar
both are
language.
some sort of similar language.
Similarly is R and Python.
Similarly is R and
So
Python.
what's the stretch? What's the stretch? What's the stretch?
3 months or 6
Is it like 3 months or 6 months before it's good, I'm good to go concerning the machine learning?
You can see, you can anyway
You
start
can see,
learning
you can
Python.
start learning
Basics of
Python,
Python, basics of Excel.
Python, basics
And
of
then,
Excel.
meanwhile, when
And
you are
then,
learning this
meanwhile,
basics
when
of
you are
Python,
learning this basics of Python, you can
learn
meanwhile
some basics of
parallelly learn
statistics.
some basics of statistics.
Okay.
That is
That is
absolutely up to you.
absolutely up to you. How you
What time frame you need to
what
complete.
time frame you need to complete.
Okay, thank you.
Well,
What is the learning curve
what is the
for
learning
Python?
curve for Python?
Just now I told
Just now I told
difference between data
difference
analyst
between
and data
data
scientist.
analyst and data scientist.
See, these are two
These are
two similar technical terms,
similar technical terms,
similar
similar
sort of job roles
that we have
in an organization.
in an
A data
organization.
analyst job
A data
is also
analyst
to take
job
the
is
data and
also
do
to take
analysis.
the data and do analysis. A data
job is also
scientist
to take the
job
data
is
and do
also to
analysis.
take the data and do analysis.
So both are different job
So both are
roles
different
that
job
an
roles
organization
that an
calls
organization
in whichever
calls
name they
in
want.
whichever name they want.
Can I run this program
Can
with
I run this
NIIT?
program
Absolutely.
with NIIT? Absolutely.
What is the cost?
What is the cost?
Can't hear you.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay,
can I run this program with
can I
NIIT?
run
What
this
is the
program with
duration and
NIIT? What
cost?
is
You
the
can
duration and
learn
cost?
this program with
You can
NIIT.
learn
We
this
do
program
have
with
this
NIIT. We
course.
do have this
Duration and
course.
cost, you
Duration
need
and
to
cost,
contact
you
your
need to
nearest center.
contact your nearest center.
What is will this
What is
programming
will
language
this
be easy for
programming
beginners?
language be
Absolutely.
easy for beginners?
It will be easy for
Absolutely.
beginners.
It will be easy for
We
beginners.
will have these slides
We will have
again.
these
You need to
slides
contact your
again. You
local
need to
center
contact
for
your
these
local
slides.
center for these slides.
How long does it
How
take to
long
become
does
data
it take to
scientist?
become data scientist?
It would take around
It would take around
6 months
6 months
to become a data scientist.
to become a data scientist.
Now, anyways, it depends
Now,
on the
anyways, it
dedication.
depends on the dedication.
How much
Nelson,
you are dedicated,
how much you are
time you can
dedicated,
give,
how much time you can
depends
give.
on that. If you
It
are
depends on that.
dedicated, you
If
can
you are
become
dedicated, you
that
can
in
become that
less
in
than that period.
less than that period.
How long does it take to
How
become
long
data
does it
scientist?
take to
Yes,
become
I
data
answered
scientist?
all
Yes,
the
I
same question.
answered all the same
What
question.
certification is available
What certification
for
is
a data
available
scientist?
for a data scientist?
I couldn't get into this
I
question.
couldn't get into
What
this question.
certification?
What certification?
See, this question would be
See,
answered
this
better.
question would be answered better
If you contact
if
your
you
nearest
contact
center,
your nearest
answer
center.
they would
This
be
answer
giving
they
you
would
in
be
much better
giving
way
you in much better
than what I
way
think that I would
than what I think
say
that I
for
would
this.
say for this.
Please, are we going to receive this
Please, are we
slide in
going to
our
receive
email?
this slide in our email?
Be a data scientist.
To be a data
Where
scientist,
should
where
we start from? You can
should we
start
start
from
from? You can
basics
start
of Excel,
from
then
basics of
continue to
Excel,
be
then
doing
continue to
advanced
be
Excel, then
doing
after that
advanced Excel, then after
Python,
that
and then after
Python,
Python you
and
can
then
do
after
machine
Python
learning
you
with
can
Python.
do machine learning with Python.
I need to know the timetable
I
of
need
this
to know the
program. Again, this
timetable
will
of
be
this program.
available to
Again, this will be
you from
available
your
to you
nearest center.
from your nearest center.
What if a beginner
What if
is
a
a good
beginner
mathematician?
is a
Absolutely
good
very good.
mathematician?
You are in a
Absolutely very good. You are in a
correct webinar to
correct
learn this.
webinar to learn this.
Can you please highlight the learning
Can you
path
please
to become a
highlight the
data
learning path
scientist?
to become a
I
data
just now
scientist?
told
I just now told
how a beginner can start
how
using
a
data
beginner
science
can
from
start using
scratch.
data science from
What
scratch.
is your
What is your
facilitation and target according
facilitation
to this
and
topic?
target according to
Mostly
this
here
topic?
in
Mostly here in Rwanda. So this facilitation and
So
target
this facilitation and target
of this
of this
course
topic of this course
would be
would
available to
be
you,
available to you,
or would be explained to you
or
in a
would be
detailed way
explained to
if
you in a
contact
detailed way
your
if you
nearest
contact
center.
your nearest center.
Are there other areas
Are there other areas where we can use data science in real world like small scale business? Absolutely, you can use data science anywhere in whichever business you go.
I will give you an example.
I will give you an example
of using this in a small
of
scale
using this
business.
in a
Even I
small scale
saw a
business.
small
Even I
scale
saw
retail
a small
outlet
scale retail outlet
which is not making a profit of
which is
more than
not making a
50,000
profit
a
of more than
month.
50,000 a month.
Even he is using collecting some data from the
collecting
customers.
some
He is
data
also
from the
maintaining
customers.
his
He is also
diary to
maintaining his diary to understand
what their customers want.
what their customers
And
want.
accordingly, he brings
And
the
accordingly, he
ingredients to
brings
his
the
retail
ingredients
shop.
to his retail shop.
So it is applicable
So
everywhere.
it is applicable everywhere.
Please, you will be better off
Please, you will be
setting
better
up
off
your own business
setting up
as a data
your own
scientist
business
or work
as a
under
data
an
scientist or
organization.
work under
Anyway,
an
if you are setting
anyway,
up
if
your
you are
business,
setting up
you would
your
definitely
business,
go
you
and
would
collect the
definitely
data.
go
You
and collect
definitely
the data. You
analyze. You
definitely
need more
analyze.
than a
You need
person
more than a
who is
person
working in an
who is
organization.
working in an organization.
Why? Because when you are
Why? Because
when
when
you are
you
going
are
to own a
when
business,
you are
you
going
need
to
to
own a
know
business, you
that
need to
what
know
is
that
what is the requirement
what is the
and
requirement
what all things
and what all things
it can predict.
it can predict.
I think
I think
some concerned person
some
has
concerned person
has typed the contact number.
has
You can
typed the
anyways note
contact
it
number. You
down.
can anyways note it down.
Then the cost of training be
Then the
reduced
cost of
bearing the
training be
mind.
reduced
That
bearing
for
the
that,
mind.
please contact
That
your
for that,
nearest
please
center.
contact your
I
nearest
cannot
center.
do anything.
I cannot do anything.
How long?
How long?
Okay, so thank you so much.
So thank you so much,
for joining the
everyone,
webinar.
for joining the webinar.
Once again, thank you so much.
Once again, thank you so much everyone, each participants to joining the webinar conducted by NIIT. And thank you so much, Mr. Rakesh
for
Pandit,
the time
for the time
students
to give
a lot
our
of insights
students
and
a
information
lot
about
of
Python
insights
data
and information
sciences.
about the Python data
I'm sure
sciences.
the session was
I'm sure the session was
very,
very fruitful
and
to you.
we have also
And
covered lot of
we have also
question
covered
and
lot
answer.
of
I would
question
request
and
each one of
answer.
you,
I would
if you have
request
any other
each one of you,
questions,
if you have any other
please
questions,
do connect
please
your
do
nearest
connect
NIIT
your
center.
nearest NIIT
And I'm sure
center.
you are in touch
And I'm
with
sure
the
you are in touch with
representative
the
from
representative
Hello?
from NIIT.
You have
Hello?
any queries
You have
that
any
are not
queries
covered
that you
due
are
to
not
sort of time or
covered
any other
due to the
reason.
sort of time or any
What
other
I would
reason,
request,
what I would
please do
request,
visit to your
please do
nearest NIIT
visit
center
to your
or to
nearest
speak
NIIT
to them.
center or to speak
And
to
I'm
them.
sure they would be able to
And
answer
I'm
all
sure
your
they would
doubt
be
and
able
the
to answer all your doubt
clarifications
and
that
query
have in your mind
clarification that you
regarding
have in
the
your mind
fee program.
regarding the
But I'm
fee
sure
program. But
the
I'm
system was very,
sure
very useful,
the
and
system
there
was
are a
very,
lot
very
of
useful,
programs
and there are a lot of
which will
programs
be
which
related to
which
your
will
career
be
where you are
related to your
expecting
career
for.
where you are
So
expecting for.
once again, thanks for
So
your
once
patience,
again, thanks for your
and thank you
patience,
so much from.
and thank you so much from.
So by this ending note,
So
we
by
to wind
this
up the
ending note,
session.
we to wind up the session.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you everyone for
Thank you everyone
for joining
for joining
and giving your
and giving your time.
Okay. Thank you everyone.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Have a very
Thank you.
great.
Have a very
Thank you.
great
Bye.
evening.
All right. All right.
Hello.